Welcome to Skyline Realtors, your premier destination for real estate opportunities in Hyderabad's vibrant West Zone. Presenting a captivating property nestled in Nallagandla Huda layout, conveniently located behind Ratnadeep Supermarket near Huda Park, just 300 meters from Nallagandla Circle. This semi-furnished east-facing, 1600 square feet flat with an additional 200 square feet allocated for car parking. Proudly offering a first-floor residence within a small gated community. Key features include 3 bedrooms adorned with high-quality woodwork, including 2 work tables and a diwan. Grills and wallpapers embellish the interiors, showcasing branded fixtures and fittings. A modern, modular kitchen is at the heart of the home, perfect for culinary enthusiasts. Enjoy the convenience of 2 designated car parking spaces totaling 200 square feet. This well-maintained property is 9 years old, offering reliability and comfort. Residents benefit from a range of community amenities such as a children's play area, community hall, and a serene walking track. Enjoy uninterrupted water supply with 24-hour Manjeera water in the flat, additional security and convenience ensured with generator backup. An undivided share of 52 square yards in the Huda layout adds to the property's value. The quoted price for this inviting abode is 99 lakhs, with slight negotiation possible based on terms. When it comes to social infrastructure, Nallagandla provides a variety of renowned schools, hospitals, and shopping centers to cater to the diverse needs of its residents. Notable educational institutions in the vicinity include Sadhana Infinity International School and Sancta Maria International School. For more detailed information or to explore this prime real estate opportunity, please contact us. We specialize in promoting properties in the West Zone of Hyderabad and are committed to assisting you in finding the perfect investment or residential space tailored to your needs.